Market summary for September 4th, 2024. The U.S. stock market showed a positive trend with major indices closing higher. S&P 500 rose by 0.38% to 5455.21. Dow Jones Industrial Average increased by 0.61% to 40,008.39. And the NASDAQ Composite had a slight gain of 0.03% to 17,192.60. The global markets were mixed. The FTSE 100 in the UK climbed to 0.56%. The DAX in Germany went up by 0.41%. Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong fell by 0.35%. And the SSE Composite Index in China dropped by 0.06%. Positive movement in the U.S. stock markets. The U.S. markets saw a general upward trend driven by optimism around the upcoming earnings reports and potential Federal Reserve rate cuts. While European markets showed gains, Asian markets were mixed, with notable declines in China and Hong Kong. The VIX decreased by 10.65%, indicating a reduced market fear and uncertainty. Positive movement in major indices suggests growing investor confidence, possibly due to anticipated strong earning reports. Upcoming economic reports, including jobless claims and the employment situation report, will be crucial to determining the future market direction. Mixed performance in the global markets highlights ongoing economic uncertainties, particularly in Asia. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on the market. So, today we are going to look specifically at the NVDA chart. Reason being, NVDA was the only trade that I made today, and we made 93% on the trade. So the market opened with NVIDIA here opening at 105.38, and it ran up basically until 10:05. 10:05 was the peak of this run up right here. Let's see if we can. Was the peak of this run up right here was 10:05. Bam. Got a good run up right here from 8:30 to 10:05, which was an hour and 5 minutes or so, and then we got a slight pullback. We got a pullback here from 10:05 to around 10:35. It got back in the opening range. Got back in the opening range, and then it bounced off of that level, even though it went past it slightly. It bounced off of that level and started to increase again. Right about here, when it bounced off this level here, I decided to take a put. The reason that I decided to take a put here was that I seen this level being tested multiple times here, 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 here. This one's off a little bit here, 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 here. So at this point, that's more than enough test at that level. So I decided to get in a put. I got in at I took a 103 put for 74 cents at 107.95. So somewhere right about here I jumped in. This is where I made my entry right here. 103.75. I made my entry here, and like clockwork, it ran against me. But I still was pretty confident in my choice for a put. So as it ran against me at here, I got in. I doubled down. I bought same amount of contracts at a much lower price. I got these for 49 cents, which I cost average down from 74 to 61 cents. So I saved myself 13 cents with the second trade right there. So now I have double the contracts. My average is 61.5%, 61 cent. So we ran down. We hit this level again. This 109 was a pretty solid resistance all the way across the board. If you look, if we draw this line right here, if we draw this line, trend line, if we draw this line basically at if we draw it basically about right here. No. I think the line we want to draw. Trash that. If we draw this line, we draw this trend line here, and we just say we come from this way, and we draw it straight across. You can see that we had multiple tests of this resistance right here. So I knew that I was pretty confident. I didn't really panic, even though it ran against me a little bit more up here. This 109, 16, 15 was a solid level. So we ran with that. And then here at about 12:55, we got our first breakdown on the second half of the day. And from here, we just got active. We went here, and we went straight down to here. And we went from 108.82 to 105.58. That was almost $3.26 or so. And by now we're up about 100%, give or take there. And I didn't take it, and I should have. Unfortunately, it didn't turn into a sad story where I ended up losing, but I gave back a little bit of the 100%. It would have been well over 100% right here had I got out, maybe by about 130, 140%. But it pulled back here a little bit. It pulled back. It took from here, and it pulled back up actually to there. It don't matter. Pulled back up to here, and then in the last minute, it dropped back down, and this is where I got out at. I got out exactly right here with like 15 seconds left in the market. This was my exit. At my exit, I sold at 115, which gave me 50 It gave me 53.5 cent profit on my 61.5 cent investment, which equals out to 93%, give or take. It's a great trade. It was easy. Um, am I always going to see returns like that? No. Should I have managed this trade differently under normal circumstances? Yes, I should have. But today it worked out. I typically do not. My style is I don't try to hit home runs. I'm not even really interested in 100% trades. I like to win the smaller trades, the 30%, the 20%, and just do them consistently day in and day out instead of trying to hit the big home runs. But I definitely like them when they come, but I know that it's not realistic to shoot for those consistently. So thank you for watching the Wealth Well. Tomorrow morning we will have a pre-market rundown, and tomorrow I will be trading live. So when I trade, you'll be able to trade and you'll be able to follow. All right. Thank you for watching the Wealth Well. See you tomorrow.